Hello everybody, my name is Purdey and today we are going to be making some simple slime. First of all, your ingredients. You will need 1 bottle of Elmer's school glue. Also, 1 bottle of Elmer's magic liquid. You need a pot, some food colouring, which is optional, a flask, a small spoon and a big spoon. Let's get started. As I've already done, you need to pour 1 bottle of Elmer's glue into your pot. Next, you need to pour 60 millilitres of your magic liquid into your flask. Now you need to start mixing it up. Mix up the school glue. Very slowly, start adding little by little some of your solution. And when the time feels right, just keep adding a little bit more. You don't have to put it all in straight away, because then it rushes it. You know when your slime is ready, when it starts sticking to itself. It does take a while, but the benefit's great. As you can see, I'm just mixing and adding and mixing. It's already starting to stick to itself, not the bowl, which means that we're doing the right thing. It does feel very slimy from the spoon. I'm going to add a bit more. And now we just mix. As you can see, it's beginning to form slime. Now, I'm not going to use a spoon, I'm just going to knead it. This part can get a little bit messy, but everybody likes being messy sometimes. As I say, you just need to knead it in, as if you were playing with the slime. If you want to, and it needs it, you can just pour a little bit onto the mixture. As you can see, it does get very messy and you might want to put something down before you do this. When your slime starts to form, as this already is, if you want to, you can add some food colouring. But mine is still a bit sticky, so I think we're going to do that in a moment. Now's the time. Take your small spoon. And take a little bit of your food colouring. I chose blue. You don't need much at all. Just add it on. And then knead it in. After a while, it turns into very nice slime. It's very messy and sticky, so I think it needs a bit more of this. You could use with a bit of a bigger bowl than my one, because as you can see, it is getting everywhere. Even when it isn't formed yet, it's very fun to play with. I think it's beginning to get there. Now, after quite a bit of mixing, I think we have created slime. It's quite sticky, but after a while it will get less and less. You just need to keep on kneading it and playing with it. Bye! Thank you for watching my video.